Have you ever wondered what it's really like to work in a kitchen?
Stockholm, a place I never in my wildest dreams expected to end up. And yet somehow, it became home. This city shaped me. It taught me nearly everything I know about food, about people, about who I am in the kitchen and outside of it. I've spent nearly 20 years cooking in Stockholm's restaurants. From busy brunch joints to elegant dining rooms, I've done it all. I came up through the fire, learning the hard way, the fast way, the real way. This week, I took a job out in the archipelago. A ferry ride from the city, on an island where the kitchen runs in a classic French brigade style.
6 fiskrita, bara beställd.
Think spring chicken, bouillabaisse, veal tenderloin with demi-glace, steak tartare, toast skagen, Swedish meatballs. It's the kind of place every seasoned cook here knows. The old school Nordic brasserie system, built by Austrian Germans, perfected by the Swedes. Clean lines, sharp routines, fast hands. And I love it. I really do. I work freelance now, and if I have a superpower, it's this. I'm great at having a first day on the job. I walk in, read the room, and see what needs doing and do it. Fast, clean, and efficient. I was raised on the motto rent och snyggt, which loosely translates to clean and tidy. I've cooked classic Swedish, French, modern Nordic, Mediterranean, a bit of Latin America, a little bit of Asia. But here's the truth. I'm feeling stuck. For better and for worse, I think that what we do early on in our careers, it often dictates where we end up later. And in my case, lately I've been finding myself in a series of management positions that I'm just not really suited for. I have leadership skills. I'm good with budgets. I'm quite proficient with Excel. I know how to manage a kitchen. I know how a kitchen should run. But after getting fired from my last job, it dawned on me. I think I'm a lousy manager, and I shouldn't be managing people. What I should be doing is focusing on something I'm good at, like learning, growing, things that I'm passionate about, cooking, storytelling. I've made an important decision. I've decided I'm going to become a professional stagiaire.
That's not a thing. What even is that?
I know what you're thinking. This is usually a title for 20-somethings working for free to earn their stripes in the kitchen. But I'm flipping the model. With 3 passports, Swedish, American, and Australian, I'm going to travel the world, work in iconic kitchens, learn from the best, and share the real stories behind the food. This isn't about staged photos or viral recipes. It's about the people, the culture, the craft, what really happens behind the pass, the long hours, the fire, the friendships. And I want to take you with me. But here's the thing. I can't do this without your help. If this is something you want to see, subscribe, leave a comment, and share it with someone who loves food, travel, or just a good story. And if you know a producer looking for their next great food series, send this their way, because I believe this could be something real, something raw, something true. A global journey through kitchens, culture, and connection, one station at a time. Let's go.